6 Jamaicans have been included in the latest list of centrally contracted players for the 2019-2020 period released by Cricket West Indies today. Karen Madden has the details.
Left-handed opening batsman John Campbell, who made his international debut against England earlier this year, has been given a red ball contract. Campbell is joined by Craig Brathwaite, Ruston Chase, Shane Darwich, Shannon Gabriel and Jamil Warrican on the list. Fabian Allen, O'Shane Thomas and Sheldon Cottrell are the other Jamaicans added, with all three given white ball contracts. Another Jamaican, Rovman Powell, has been retained on the list of players to be given white ball contracts, along with Carlos Brathwaite and the new addition Nicholas Perran. Windy skipper Jason Holder, Darren Bravo, Shimron Hetmeyer, Shea Hope, Alzari Joseph, Kima Paul and Kima Roach have been handed all format contracts. But Sunil Ambrose, Devandra Bishu, Miguel Cummins, Ashley Nurse, Kieran Powell and Raymond Reefer are out of favor and have not been contracted. Meanwhile, Jamaican Chanel Henry and Natasha McLean are among 8 newly contracted players on the West Indies women's team. They are joined by Shabika Gajnabi, Shawnisha Hector, Stacey King, Kissian Knight and Karishma Ramark. The retained players are Shemaine Campbell, Shamila Connell, Deandra Dottin, Afi Fletcher, Haley Matthews, Shadeen Nation, Shakira Selman and Windies captain Stefani Taylor. But former captains Marissa Aguilera, Renice Boyd, Anissa Mohammed and Akira Peters are no longer on contract with Cricket West Indies. According to the CWI statement, contracts were offered to players who have achieved consistent performances for the West Indies throughout the evaluation period of April 1 last year to March 31 this year. Players have also been included who the selection panel believes will feature in the squads for all matches in the respective formats over the next contract period. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.